What's up, guys? Welcome to Tint Cartel. Another beautiful morning here. Check this out. So a lot of people don't actually know that we actually offer windshield replacement now. So we're actually tinting these windshields before they get installed. So if you guys ever want to do that, go ahead and call the shop, and we can get that taken for you guys. All right? Thank you. What's up, guys? Thank you guys once again for watching Tint Cartel. Subscribe. This is going to be episode 6. Thank you. Make sure you get that, if you can hear it. Yeah.